yesterday. So, literally, ito ba yung strategy mo na parang the last girl, parang ikaw yung the grandest girl to arrive.
Hello!
Oo.
Hello! Your TWC Transforming Champion has arrived! Drag race.
The girl to watch out for.
My first entrance look. Sachet. Oh, hindi. No, to be honest, this is circumstances. I didn't want this, to be honest. Kasi muntik na akong hindi matuloy. I'm telling you. Promise. Kasi po, nung time na nagkakaroon na, akala ko talaga hindi tuloy. Like, kami ni Maria, kami po nung org, like, ako na nakikipag-usap sa kanila, tuloy po ba? Ayoko talaga mag-book. Kasi nakita ko yung nangyari sa amin last June. Nag-book yung girls, tapos nahirapan mag-rebook yung iba na wala ng pera. Hindi ko po kaya mawala ng $2,000 promise. So talagang nag-aantay talaga ako kung talagang tuloy. Tapos yung pinaka-announcement na parang tuloy na, after like months, after 2 months, 5 days, yun yung pinaka-first, parang 7 days before the Euro. So ko, tuloy na. So ako, bibili ng ticket. Tama, ready naman. So bumili na po ako ng ticket, bumili ako ganyan. Nag-request na ng bagong requirement, which is travel insurance. So yung travel insurance na yan, it takes time. Tapos may e-visa pa. I-extend ko yung e-visa ko. Nakuha ko na last June. So ito 30 days lang. So lagpas na ulit na naman. And then dahil nga dun sa situation of the war and stuff, ang tagal lumabas, promise. Ang dami pong nag-back out talaga. Tsaka ang dami hindi natuloy dahil doon. Love lang talaga ako ni Lord, promise. Nakuha ko yung visa ko one day. Umiiyak ako sa harap ng DFA. Kaya ako nandun sa mata. Tapos umiiyak talaga ako, promise. Sabi ko, wala na ito. Itong lang. Hindi ba message si Miss Carolina, wala na. Pero awa ng Diyos, binigay talaga. As in. Tapos nakuha ko lahat ng travel insurance ko. Saturday. Yun, tuloy ako today.
Photo finish.
Pero walang nakakaalam. Up until today, ngayon alam yun na. Yeah, hindi ko pinapaalam kasi it's not gonna help me if I'm gonna add more, noise. So I'll handle it myself and I'll make sure that if I'm needed to be there, I'm needed to be there. But of course, the organization knows about it. It's not only me. There's one more or two more candidates that had problems with their flights from the Middle East and stuff. With regards to your question, alam ko yung naantay niyo sa Google about dun sa bakit ako lang mag-isa. I'll go now. Basically po, how can I give this the direct answer? No safe answers today. Well, basically, if you notice, I'm alone because kami na lang po talaga ng best friend ko yung lumalaban. Yun po, si Mark. Promise. Siya na lang po talaga kung alam niyo lang po yung lahat ng pagsa-strategy namin, photoshoots, kami dalawa na lang po yan. Wala na po kami ibang katulong. Kasi po, if you notice, may isa pong pageant na hawak po nila 4, di ba? And yeah, yun po. So, hindi din sila pwedeng affiliated sa amin. Kasi hindi sila pwedeng ma-affiliate sa ibang pageant, basically. They have contracts with
other brands.
Yes. And sadly, the one who's helping me, my national director, that works under the company. So, wala akong papasahod sa kanya. Sadly, that's the truth. So, again, I'm not a quitter. Diba? I could have quitted many times. I could have stopped again. But if I quit again, gusto niyo ba ang lagi na ng breaking news, Kaylin withdraw? Withdraw po ba? Nakakita ng bangko na withdrawan ko na guys. Ilang withdraw pa po ba gagawin natin? Tapusin na natin ito. Kaylin deposits na. Kaylin deposits and made sure that it's saved with cashback, interest, and a lot of time to deposit up until August 10. Let's see what we can withdraw. Maybe it's gonna be Crown, or maybe another flight to whatever country. But but I wish them well. I really wish them well. I wish I could have been.
No bad blood between the two of you.
No. Of course, meron. Of course, meron. Sino ba namang iwan ka di ba? Sino mawala But you have to forgive and forget. And it's not because they wanted it, it's just the circumstances.
Mm-hmm.
We have to understand that people outgrow people. People decide to choose something. And what we can do is accept it. Because at the end of the day, they're not competing. I'm competing. It's my fight. It's just there to support me. Luckily, I'm just mature enough and old enough to be able to do this alone. And let alone, now that I know how to do this alone, if I want to have my own passion soon, I can because I've done it myself. And I'll be able to give others a chance as well.
Yes.
So with